Welcome to my channel Data World Solution. Hope you are doing well. In previous video, we will learn about where clause and comparison operator. In this video, we will learn about between operator in operator is null and is not null. So let us start with between operator. Between operator is used to filter a result based on a specific range of value. This operator is particularly useful when you want to retrieve records within a certain numeric and date range. The syntax is simple. We can use expression or column name, after that between and lower value, after that with upper value. So let us start with the demo. Here I am using a free Snowflake trial account, Snowflake sample data set, and I am using this schema. Okay, so let's hide this. If I execute this statement first, this statement retrieve the result set which have account balance in the range of 200 to 500, and 200 and 500 also included. Always use first lower value, after that upper value. Okay, here you can see the account balance in the range between 200 to 500. Let's do another example. If I use upper value first and lower value last, then this result show no result. Okay, if I want to retrieve the data from a order table which have total price is between 5,000 to 100,000, we can use simply between operator. First put total price column name, after that between, after that 5,000 to and 100,000. If I execute this statement, then you can see the result. You can see the result. The total price is between 5,000 to 10,000. We can also use like this. Total price is greater than equal to 5,000 and total price less than equal to 10,000. If I execute this statement, you can see the same result here. So we use simply between operator 5 to 10,000, and 5,000 and 10,000 also included in the result set. So let's do another example. If I want to retrieve the data set from the order table which have order date is between 1st of Jan 1992 to 31st of Jan 1992, then we can use the date range value with between operator. If I execute this statement, then we can see the result set here. You can see here 31st, here you can see, let's do 1st of Jan also included in the result set, and 31st of Jan also, 31st of Jan also included in the result set. So now let us move to another example. We can also use character data type in between operator. Means if I want to filter a record or data in a order table which have order status is between F to P. If I execute this statement, then we can see the value which have order status is only F to P, means F also included F and P in between the O. So O is also included. Like this you can see the range of between F to P. So we can also use not with between operator. So if I execute this statement, then we can see the result which have not account balance in between 200 to 500. You can see here. So let's move to another example. We can also use between operator with aggregated data set in having clause. We will learn about group by and having clause in later video. Let's concentrate here only between operator. So if I execute this statement, then we see the result which have only a sum of quantity is 2 to 6. You can see here. So we can also use between operator with having clause. Now let us learn in operator. In operator is used to filter data based on multiple value in a specific column. So let us understand with example. If I want to retrieve data from order table which have customer key is equal to 100, customer key is equal to 200, customer key is equal to 300, then we can simply use in and then put all the value which I have requirement to filter the data from order table. So if I execute this statement, we can see the only those value which I have in bracket of in operator. Okay, and we can also use not with in operator. If I want to filter a data which doesn't contain 100, 200, 300, then we simply use a customer key not in, and after that we can put a value in bracket. If I execute this statement, then we can see the result which doesn't contain 100, 200, 300. Okay, let's do another example. If I want to retrieve the data from the order table which order status is not in P and S. So if I execute this statement, then you can see the order status not P and S. Okay, now let us learn about is null and is not null. This operator is used uh, for checking whether a column contain null value or is not null. Yes. Okay. This operator is particularly useful when you want to filter a select data based on presence or absence of null value in a specific column. So let us understand with example. If I want to retrieve a data from a customer table which contain a comment is null. If I execute this statement, this show no result, means comment table does not have a null value. If I use this comment equal to null, then this is incorrect. Okay, always use is null. Okay, let's see other example. I am using schema like a sample data and this schema and call center table. If I execute this statement, then this retrieve the result which contain record and date is null value. Means null value means nothing, totally blank. Okay. If I execute this statement, then we see the result set which does not null value, means is not null. Don't use like this not null operator. Yeah, not null operator. You can see doesn't work. This always use is not null. Okay, this is incorrect. I already told you. Always use is null or is not null. Uh, we learn about in operator. We learn about between operator. We learn about is null, is not null. In next video, we will learn about like and I like operator and logical operator. If you like my content, please hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for future video, and stay tuned for our next video on Snowflake query technique. Thank you for watching.